back to Old Country Cooks. Today we're going to do another flat top cook on the Camp Chef. We're going to do some cheesy roast beef sandwiches. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bread. So we're going to go ahead and prep it up right now. Taking the butter. Here's our bread. We're just going to butter the bread a little bit. Get it toasty. All right, I'm gonna do all of the bread like that. And Rebecca's got a pita. We're gonna do the outside of hers like that. All right, we're gonna go, got butter on both sides of that. Butter on both sides of our bread.
Jersey, Mike.
There you go. And just slide it back. Okay. There's Rebecca's plate. We got to go in and get the Horsey Sauce. There's Stacy's. Hot? Yeah.
Steak and cheese sandwich. I put a little bit of horseradish sauce and a little bit of jalapenos on there, and I'm gonna go in for a taste. And this was the easy way to do steak because we bought the meat out of the deli department, just roast beef.
She gonna do the happy dance?
Uh-huh.
We got little crunchy bits on there.
Mm-hmm. That is stellar.
And that Mrs. Dash, you can't go wrong with that.
And I give this 4 thumbs up. Give me your thumbs.
All right, that's a good way to go. All right, take us on out of here.
Thank you so much for joining us. Why don't you go down to your local deli and get some roast beef? It's just lunch meat. And try this out because it's so easy. You can do it in a skillet at home, do it in your toaster oven, probably your air fryer too. But thanks for joining us. Please hit that bell so that you get notifications of all of our videos. Subscribe,
Share.
like, thumbs up, share, and most important of all, y'all come back. Bye.
Bye.